Hi friends, today I am going to talk about very popular operating system called Unix. From last 4 decades, we are using Windows operating system. Like Windows, Unix is also a operating system. Here I am going to talk about introduction to Unix operating system. In that, uh, I explain what is operating system, types of operating system, history of Unix operating system. Before going to explain Unix operating system, I am going to explain what is a operating system. Operating system is a interface between user and a computer hardware. For example, we are typing from the keyboard any English alphabets. Computer processor doesn't understand what is English language, so it understands only zeros and ones. We can call it as machine language. So human cannot understand what is zeros and ones. So there is a need of a interface which can translate human understandable language to hardware and hardware to human understandable. That exactly we can call it as a operating system. Then we have Windows operating systems and Unix operating system, and in the Unix operating system, Linux is the one of the flavor of Unix, and we have huge number of flavors are available in the market. So now there are types of operating systems. Like we have three types of operating systems: single user single tasking operating system, single user multitasking operating system, multi user multitasking operating system. If you go for single user single tasking operating system, one user can log in, he can perform one task. Before Microsoft Windows, we have an operating system called MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. Right now we are using from command prompt we execute few commands. So earlier, MS-DOS is an operating system. There is a there is no desktop folder related hierarchy, so we can execute only in commands. And in Microsoft Disk Operating System, from command prompt you can execute only one command at a time. Second one, single user multitasking operating system. Only one user can log in, but user can perform multiple tasks at a time. For example, if you install Windows operating system, at a time you can edit any PDF or PDF files, and you can work on and you can view the media player or any VLC player, any movie. So if the third one is multi-user multitasking operating system. This OS provides multi-users can log in into the system. For example, in Unix operating system, at a time minimum 6 users, maximum 6 users can log in at a time and they can do the work. This ability is not there in Windows operating system. Don't confuse with the Unix and Linux. So simply remember, Unix is a operating system, Linux is a flavor of Unix. 90% of Unix flavors and Linux flavors commands are same. So Unix operating system is a command user interface. So if you go to history of Unix, uh, Ken Thompson developed Unix in 1969. AT&T Lab software team, there is a team, Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie, they worked in Multics project. So Multics means multi-information computing system. Two users can communicate and they can share the data for two users. Later it is added few features and it become Unix, UNICS, Uniplexed Information Computing System. 100 users same information can send. Okay. Yeah. Later, the code written in C language and the name is changed to Unix. Thanks for the video. Thanks for watching.